Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap Roswell local and long-distance movers near me. We offer many different moving services to go along with the transportation of your items. When your long-distance move takes you out of state or across the country, we're here to help with the moving process. Our extensive moving services include packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Finding the right Georgia moving company isn't always easy. It can be a struggle to figure out how much you should spend since it's just a local move. With the right moving company, you will save time and avoid having to worry about lifting heavy items. This can be enough to rationalize the cost of hiring professional movers. When you choose 3 movers, you'll notice how much easier moving day becomes. We can handle all the heavy lifting for you and get you settled in quicker. Our team will complete your move much faster than you can on your own. A move that might take you all weekend will take us just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Roswell moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.